Hello students, today I am going to teach you the methods of preparation of amines. As in amines, the first method of preparation is from hydrocarbons we cannot prepare amines, so we are going to prepare it from alkyl halides. So first method is from alkyl halides. As this method is the repetition in your course, so the probability to come in exam for this reaction is more as compared to the other reactions. फ्रॉम अल्किल हेलाइड्स से कैसे बनाते हैं, इसे हम एक और नाम है हॉफमैन्स अमोनोलिसिस मेथड. दिस रिएक्शन आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू इन अल्किल हेलाइड्स चैप्टर, दैट इज हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स. When an alkyl halide is treated with ammonia, it gives CH3NH2. This is what it is, a primary amine. And this primary amine on further treatment with CH3Cl with an alkyl halide, it gives CH3 twice NH. Means this is what it is, a secondary amine. And this secondary amine on treatment again with CH3Cl gives CH3 thrice N. This is what it is, a tertiary amine. And when this again reacts with CH3Cl and it gives CH3 4 times N positively charged and Cl, this is quaternary ammonium salt. And this is what it is, this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. So this is the one of the important point of this reaction, that it follows SN2 mechanism. And see, it is a what type of reaction? As it goes on, it continues if you are going to take excess of alkyl halide. So to prepare primary amine as a major product, what you have to do, you have to take ammonia as in excess amount, otherwise it will give such type of product, that is primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Means other point for this reaction is what, that is we get mixture of amines in this reaction. Now the third point, and that is also very important, to prepare primary amine as a major product, what you have to do. So this one is the A point, this one is the B point, and the C point is what? To prepare primary amine as a major product, use ammonia in excess. ठीक है, यहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको जो जो मैंने बताया. एंड इट इज व्हाट, इट इज द हॉफमैन, दिस रिएक्शन इज आल्सो टर्म्ड एज व्हाट, हॉफमैन्स अमोनोलिसिस मेथड. And one more thing, that in this it is asked in question exams, that which compound is formed, which compound out of these is soluble in water. So this is a salt and it is soluble in water, it is readily soluble in water and it contains other than covalent bond. इन सभी में कौन से bonds present है? सिर्फ covalent bond present है, but इसमें covalent के साथ में coordinate bond और ionic bond भी present है. ठीक है, समझ में आया क्या बताया मैंने? तो इसमें क्या क्वेश्चन, एक और क्या डी पॉइंट लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज क्वाटरनरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट कंटेन्स ionic, covalent and coordinate bond. This compound contains ionic, covalent and coordinate compound, coordinate bond, whereas rest of all the compound contains only covalent bond. Though primary amine and secondary amine are also soluble in water, but quaternary ammonium salt being a salt, it is readily soluble in water. It dissolves at a faster rate as compared to the primary and secondary amine. Now one more point which is asked in this reaction, that is order of reactivity of alkyl halide. So order of reactivity is what? Ri, Rbr, RCl and RF. So this is the order. Ri is the most reactive one and RF is the least reactive one. ठीक है, तो why does it happens? Because in case of heteromolecules, order of reactivity depends on what? It depends on their bond length. More is the bond length, easier is the bond breaking. Okay, so Did you get my point? As this is all about this reaction. One limitation is there, that is this reaction is not used to prepare primary amines because it gives mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary amines, and which is difficult to separate. So it is not preferred to prepare primary amines. This one is the limitation. Primary amines are not prepared by this method. Now, as this reaction follows SN2 mechanism, one question is asked, what happens when a tertiary butyl bromide is treated with ammonia? Tertiary butyl bromide. This is tertiary butyl bromide. This on treatment with ammonia. As this reaction follows which mechanism? SN2. And you people already know for SN2 what is the order? Primary alkyl halide is more reactive as compared to secondary and tertiary. So what is the order for this? Primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide के लिए ये order होता है. Whereas this one is what? It is a tertiary alkyl halide. So on treatment with ammonia, rather than going a nucleophilic substitution reaction, यानी कि SN2 रिएक्शन फॉलो करने के जगह पे ये कौन सी रिएक्शन फॉलो करेगा? एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन फॉलो करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ इट अंडरगोज एलिमिनेशन एंड इट फॉर्म्स एन अल्कीन. So this alkene is formed and ammonium bromide, that is NH4Br. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? So this much is enough for this reaction. Let's see the next method of preparation. Now the next method of preparation is reduction. Reduction of what? Reduction of nitro compounds, means NO2 groups, cyanides, isocyanides and oximes. This will also give amines. Let's see one by one. So there are various types of reducing agent also. So first is from cyanides. As cyanides on reduction RCN, this on reduction. अगर हम इसका reduction carry out करेंगे, as if I am going to carry out this reduction in presence of, इसमें जो reducing agent use करते हैं उसका नाम है सोडियम इन इथेनॉल, and this is termed as what? Mendius reducing agent. Sodium in ethanol, Mendius reducing agent. When RCN is treated with hydrogen, that is on reduction, it gives what? RCH2NH2. Means what is obtained? Primary amine is obtained. Okay. And to prepare, अभी ये मैंने एक जनरल रिएक्शन ले लिया, आप इसके लिए कोई और भी रिएक्शन ले सकते थे. जैसे एग्जांपल ले लेती हूँ CH3CN. अगर CH3CN का रिडक्शन कैरी आउट करेंगे इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम इन इथेनॉल, it will give what? CH3CH2NH2 plus this is also what? Primary amine, and this is Mendius reducing agent. And the next is from isocyanides. If I had prepared aliphatic, you can prepare aliphatic as well as aromatic. Both the amines can be prepared by this method, but they both of them will be primary. That is aliphatic and aromatic primary amines can be prepared by this method. Now the next one is, as this is the A part, now next is from isocyanides, RNC. As from isocyanides, what you will do on isocyanides on reduction, it will give this on reduction, again in presence of sodium in ethanol, it will give what? RNHCH3. Means what is obtained here? Secondary amine is obtained. ठीक है. सो इससे हमेशा ही सेकेंडरी अमाइन ही बनेगा और कुछ नहीं बन सकता है. ठीक, समझ में आया यहाँ तक? इसका मैंने भी जनरल रिएक्शन लिया है, आप इसका कोई और भी ले सकते हैं। जैसे एग्जांपल ले लेती हूँ, CH3NC, दिस ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विथ हाइड्रोजन दैट इज ऑन रिडक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम इन इथेनॉल, इट गिव्स व्हाट, CH3NHCH3, दैट इज डाइमिथिलामाइन। ठीक है, समझ में आया? Next is nitro compounds, reduction of nitro compounds. As here RNO2, this on reduction, for this we will use toluene HCl or LiAlH4. Any one of this can be used. So RNO2 on reduction, it gives RNH2. So what is obtained here? Primary amine is obtained. So by reduction of nitro compounds, it always gives primary amines. It may be aliphatic or aromatic. एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं, C6H5NO2 अगर ग्रुप ले लिया और इसका रिडक्शन कैरी आउट किया यूजिंग हाइड्रोजन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ LiAlH4, ये क्या दे देगा? C6H5NH2 दे देगा। ये भी क्या है? प्राइमरी अमाइन है। ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? तो नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स ऑल्सो ऑन रिडक्शन गिव्स व्हाट? प्राइमरी अमाइंस। नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम अमाइड्स. So amide, what is the amide? What are amides? RCO, NH2 are termed as amides. These amides on reduction, and this reduction can be carried out by using LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride. It gives what? RCH2NH2. So by this method also we can prepare primary amines. As this is the simple one, by this we can prepare primary amines. And to prepare aromatic amine, the same reaction can be carried out, means aliphatic and as well as aromatic amines can be prepared by using amides. Next is from oximes. ऑक्सिम्स याद है आपको? हमने कहाँ पढ़ा था? एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स चैप्टर में, जब हम एडिशन रिएक्शंस पढ़ रहे थे, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शंस, तब हमने अमाइंस ऑक्सिम्स पढ़ा था। ऑक्सिम्स का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? RCH, याद आ रहा है आपको? डबल बॉन्ड O था, इसका रिएक्शन अगर मैंने NH2OH के साथ किया तो ये क्या दे देगा? एज दिस रिएक्शन इज कैरिड आउट इन वीक एसिडिक मीडियम सो दैट इट रिमूव्स वाटर फ्रॉम इट, और ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? RCH डबल बॉन्ड NOH, ये क्या है? ऑक्सिम. एंड दिस ऑक्सिम ऑन रिडक्शन यूजिंग सोडियम इन इथेनॉल gives what? RCH2NH2. ठीक है, समझ में आया? इससे भी हम कौन से अमाइंस बना रहे हैं? देखो क्या बन रहे हैं? प्राइमरी अमाइंस बन रहे हैं। ठीक, तो अब ये हो गया ऑक्सिम से। अभी इससे हम एलिफेटिक भी बना सकते हैं और एरोमेटिक भी बना सकते हैं। ओके, so make a chart to remember all these reactions, that when NO2 is reduced using sodium in ethanol, it gives primary amines. Cyanides on using same reagent also gives primary amines. Isocyanides using same reagent gives secondary amines. Amides on treatment with LiAlH4, on reduction it gives primary amines. Oximes using Mendius reducing agent, that is sodium in ethanol, gives primary amines. And nitro compounds, I had written it, that is with sodium in ethanol, toluene HCl. With toluene HCl they gives primary amines. So this was all about it is a just a chart form to remember all the reactions of nitrogen containing functional groups to convert them into amines. So this much is enough for today's class. We will see the next part in the next class. Okay, if you have any difficulty you can ask. Thank you.